Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you Minecraft error. The error code is a Guardian. So if you're getting this Guardian error in the Minecraft Bedrock edition, then here follow the fixes. So here how to fix Minecraft Bedrock error code Guardian. Now why this error occurs? It generally occurs due to issues while signing in. So if you go to this Minecraft website, link is provided in my video description. You will see the named error code troubleshooting for Minecraft Bedrock edition. In this page there is a list of Minecraft Bedrock edition error code. So scroll down and here you will see the Guardian error code. You can see what it means. There was an issue while signing in. So this error generally occurs when there was an issue while signing in. So how to troubleshoot it? You have to just reset your Microsoft account sign in Minecraft. So when you open this link, it will open another page and here you can reset your Microsoft account sign in Minecraft. So here how to sign out and sign in using the launcher just like me. You have to just start the Minecraft launcher, click the drop down menu in the top left corner with your gamer tag, select logout, click Microsoft login and then sign in back in. Select sign in with a different account if you need to switch accounts, or simply press let's go to continue. So in Windows search type Minecraft and open the Minecraft launcher, then click on your profile and then select logout, and after logging out simply click on Microsoft login and then sign in back and then press let's go to continue. This will resolve the Guardian error code. Now if you're playing the Minecraft in Xbox and if you're getting this Guardian error on Xbox, then simply close out Minecraft Bedrock edition if it is open, press Xbox button to open the guide, go to profile and system tab, select your account, select sign out. Your profile will be saved and accessible the next time you sign in into console. Then sign in back into your profile and then check. Now if you're playing the Minecraft on PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and mobile, then follow these steps. I have provided this link in my video description, so you don't have to worry about it. Now fix is to switch internet connection. If still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to switch internet connection. So if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. Or if you are connected to mobile data, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Or you can also switch to either Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check. Fix 3 is to restart device. So perform a full restart of your PC, console or mobile device to clear temporary glitches and then check. And the last solution is to check for the Minecraft update. Make sure you are running the latest version of the Minecraft, specifically if you are in the beta or preview program. So basically you have to just sign out and sign in back to your Microsoft account and this will fix the issue. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Minecraft Bedrock error code Guardian error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.